exporting them to the U.S. Experts
Okay, then hello guys! So welcome to my channel! Today, join na naman ako sa may kaibigan ko, si Jacob! Kami po kay Ben, let's go! Join na ako!
For many years, China has been the main source of U.S. garment imports.
Let's go!
With ongoing deterioration
Boy, Jacob,
in U.S.-China
kamustahin
trade
mo sila?
relations, China's position in the U.S. garment market is rapidly declining. Tariff measures have forced many U.S. brands and retailers to speed up supply chain restructuring and reduce dependence on Chinese factories. Garment companies are increasingly turning to other Asian regions such as Vietnam, Bangladesh, and India. Sheng Liu, a professor of fashion and apparel studies at the University of Taiwan, pointed out that the sharp decline in U.S. imports of Chinese goods in 2025 is not a natural phenomenon. Although the U.S. and China have recently reached a truce in their trade war, reducing China's tariffs to 55%, Sheng Liu said that most major U.S. apparel companies still plan to further reduce their reliance on Chinese suppliers and even consider continuing withdrawal from the Chinese market. Meanwhile, trade accepting U.S. garment supply chains continues to accelerate. According to data from the auditing agency QINA, in Q2 of 2025, U.S. companies' procurement from China decreased by nearly a quarter compared to the previous year, while procurement demand from Southeast Asia grew by nearly 30%. QINA's report highlighted that the trend of U.S. companies moving supply chains out of China is not new. Southeast Asia's share in the U.S. supply chain has been steadily increasing since May 2023. However, the tariffs initiated by President Trump have
Guys,
clearly
hindi ko yan
accelerated
kasama. Kasin ko yan.
has also
Pinsan ko
become a
yan.
beneficiary of the restriction of the U.S. supply
Ako
chain.
yung best friend niya, guys.
ITC data in May, the
Sino yung blue na
total value
kotse?
of U.S. imports
Oh,
of
yung
garments from Mexico
blue na
increased by
kotse,
20%
kaibigan ko. Tama ko, guwapi sunik. Tama ko, astig, pogi. Panis, Lamborghini, panis. Nakay na ako,
Over 25%
ganda
higher than in April.
Tapos,
This figure represents the first monthly
Buddy.
statistics since the Trump administration implemented comprehensive tariff hikes in April.
tapos, nalapit ako sa bahay niya. Tapos sa bahay niya,
finances.
Ay, yaman, magkano na nga to,
But the
pe?
coming months could prevent new
Pe,
challenges
magkano
in
na
U.S.
nga to
supply
bahay
chain
mo?
as the tariff relief measures for
Oh,
countries are set to expire,
Buddy.
coinciding with the Christmas shopping season.
Hello.
43% year-on-year drop in
Ito.
Chinese exports to the U.S. in May.
Ito si ano, Bea. Gobi, ang ganda ko.
Official data shows that China's overall
Sige.
exports still grew by 4.8%. On May
Sige.
7th, the Kobeissi letter cited official Chinese data indicating that China is working to adjust
Kaya nga, maligo ka na ha. Good luck.
to bypass U.S. tariffs.
Then,
China's exports to Africa
then yung mga kaibigan ko, nakaligo pa.
grew by 12%. Exports to Vietnam
Kaya nga, babawod na kayo yung kaibigan ko eh.
by 25%. Meanwhile,
Bye, baby, ligo na ako. Ay, ligo na ako. Ligo na ako ah.
imposed a 40% tariff on goods
Sige.
exported from Vietnam, while the company has a proxy
Yes,
import
sir.
from China. Analysts pointed out that the recent trade agreement between the U.S. and Vietnam is significant as it delivers a heavy blow to the Chinese Communist Party. On July 3rd, President Trump reached an agreement with Vietnam's Prime Minister
Ito po, pares kami. Ito, tapos ito.
after the UK to reach a preliminary
Tapos, ito si Bea. Tapos, ito, kaibigan ko. Nakapalit na siya ng garment niya. Tama oh. Astig! Sonat yan! Ako, sige. Tingnan niyo. Basta mo yan. Hindi siya tinawag ng mama niya sa may vilay.
According to a document released by Vietnam's Ministry of Industry and Trade on July 3rd, the Vietnamese government is set to introduce a new decree
Ay,
with
nakita
higher
ko
penalties
yan.
for origin
Sabi
fraud
yung
and will
bilog
implement
ko.
stricter measures and
Sabi ko yan, oh.
inspections to prevent such
Ay,
fraudulent
nakita
activities.
ko yan.
The document states that Vietnamese authorities have been asked to intensify
Then, ano, that's daen.
to the U.S.
Bye!
on items at risk of trade fraud or those
Hello.
subject to trade protection measures by the EU and the US, particularly Chinese goods. The document lists
Madami
wooden
pa
furniture,
dapat.
plywood, stainless
Pre,
steel
madami
parts,
pa dapat.
bicycles, batteries,
Tapos na.
phones, earbuds, and all electronic
Kain na kayo.
The
Like
document
niyo
also
ako.
highlights some fraudulent activities, such as
Eh,
using
click
forged
ko
documents
kasi.
to obtain certificates of
Ayaw
origin,
pa rin.
falsifying origin certificates, and importing counterfeit goods
Bakit?
into Vietnam. It adds that trade fraud activities have been increasing recently, mainly aimed at avoiding
Bye!
trade protection
Bye,
measures.
guys.